Awesome. So it's already starting to sound a little bit better, but I want to fine tune a couple things just a little bit. So for example, the transitions, I want to replace those, and I'm going to replace it with the very common transition sound. I'm just going to type in whoosh. And while everything is still highlighted with my transitions, if I just hit Command R, it's going to now replace all those transitions with whooshes. So let's take a listen now. So we're starting to get there. There's just a few other sounds I want to change. And of course, if I want to just change one sound at a time, I could just select the one that I don't like. For example, this hit right here has a little too much of a metallic sound. So if I hit Option up, I can now audition different hits that I want to choose in here. But because I still want it to be a lower intensity, I'm going to bring it to 1 and 2. And I know I want it to be like a boom sound, so I'm going to just choose the subtype boom. And I'm going to just select whatever one I think sounds good. Excellent. We'll do that one, and I could just double click, and it instantly replaces it directly on my timeline.